All right, now we're on page 469, chapter 11 test review. Let's get right to it. A box measures 6 by 1/2 by 2.5. Select true or false for each statement. Okay, the greatest number of cubes with a side length of 1/2 that can be packed inside the box is 60. So what they're really asking is how many can fit inside. So this is a volume question, and volume is length times width times height. So you need to do 6 times 1/2 times 2.5 and see what you get for your volume. Let's go ahead and do that. Half of 6 is 3, and then 3 times 2.5. So 6 times 1/2, that's how I got the 3, and then 2.5 is 2.5. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Move my decimal over 1. So it's 7.5 units cubed. And I need to know how many cubes with 1/2. So that would be 1/8 can fit inside, because 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 would be 1/8. So there are 8/8 in each one. So 8 times 7 would be 8 times 7, 56. And then 4, because half of 8 would be 4. So that is exactly 60 of those cubes. The greatest number would be 60. Yeah, exactly 60. So that is true, because the volume of the cubes are 1/8. The volume of the box is 7.5. And of course, there are 8/8 in each one. And since there are 7 of those, you multiply 8/8 by 7, which would give you 56 eighths. And then the half of 8 would be 4/8. So 56/8 plus 4 more 8s would be 60 of those little cubes. Again, you don't need to erase your work. The volume of the box is 7.5. Well, we already did that, right? We did that when we first multiplied, and it was 7.5. If you rewind the video, it was somewhere down here where we said it was 7.5. So that is also true. Okay, number 14, Bella says the lateral area, so that means we exclude the base of the square pyramid. So it's going to be a square base with triangles. And since we only want the lateral area, we're going to exclude the base. We're not going to count the area of that square. So she says the area of these 4 triangles is 1,224. Do you agree or disagree? Use numbers and words to support. Okay, well, the base of these triangles is 18. And the height of these triangles is 25. And the area for a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. And then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, so we're going to multiply that by 4. And we want to see if that equals 1,224. Does it equal 1,224? If it does, you would agree with Bella, and then you could explain why. You could say, well, when I find the area of one of the triangles, I get this, times that by 4, and you get 1,224. Or if you do this math and you get an answer that is not 1,224, you would say, I disagree with Bella. And if she made a mistake, my guess would be she added the square base to her area. I don't know if she made a mistake yet. You have to do the math to figure it out. Okay. So you're going to figure that out. Does this equal 1,224? If it does, then she's done it correctly and you agree with her. If it does not equal 1,224, you would disagree with her and say, no, she is wrong. This should be the area. All right, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.